Medium length silk sculpture using EVO FLEX. Prepare the nail according to nail plate analysis. Prepare the silk. Size and cut the silk to cover the nail, making sure to generously cover both side walls. Cut the silk to the correct width. Place the measured silk onto the prepared nail, not extending past the free edge. Use flex gel to saturate the silk, but do not cure. Use a metal pick to slide the saturated silk forward to create the free edge length. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply EVO Natural White to the free edge area. Draw product into the corner points to support the stress area. Cure for 30 seconds. Cleanse. Use the bio tweezers to pinch the side walls to create a rounded C curve. Use the thin black file to shape the length and width. Buff with the orange and grey patches to lightly blend the surface. Dust and continue with a 3-in-1 base layer, colour and gloss.